Hey guys, we're live at 6:31 and we're running a mini for Brian's figure lot. There he is. All right, we got 40 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random. To find our winners, going to copy here. Looks like top 3 win spots in a main on this one. Paste them in there. 1 through 40. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got a 5 exactly, which makes us good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps. Here we go. Don in the top spot for round 1. Mark 2. Robert, round 3. And round 4. And our winners are Scott, Robert, and Robert. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the verification. N-E-L-U-T-T. Nellet is the winner. And we're done. At the time of 6:32. There she blows. Goody, goody. There's our winners. Congrats, guys. See you around.